Hello friends, are you also worried about topping up your TikTok ad agency account again and again? I have brought a solution for you. I have brought a TikTok account with a threshold of $1,000 for you. Okay, today I will give you a review of it. If you want to take it, you can buy it from me. Let me give you a review of $1,000 account and let you check the threshold to see if it is the full $1,000. Now you can see this business center is open in front of me. Okay, now we open the account. So to open the account, we will first click on accounts, then click on it. Okay, now you can click on ads manager. Okay, as soon as we click on the ads manager, you will see an interface like this in front of you. Now here I will give you a threshold check of $1,000. To check the threshold and check, you have to click on the tools. Okay, tools, look like at the top you will see the tools. You have to click on the tools. Okay, you will see the finance. It is written finance. You have to click on it. As soon as you click on it, on the finance, you will see the interface like this in front of you. Okay, you can see it here. I click on it. On spent so far you can see the billing threshold USD of $1,000. You can see this. You can spend it completely. You can buy this account from me at half the price. I will give you this account at half the price. If you want buy it, I put my WhatsApp number in the description of the video, and I will also put the link to my page. You can contact me there and buy this account for me, and the video I will mention the number inside as well. You can contact me on this number and buy this account. Goodbye my friends.